Hi, I'm Emma. Today's English is slow and easy. Just relax and listen along. Today is a little different and extra special. We're not visiting a brand new place. Instead, we're taking a moment to look back. Over the last 5 episodes, Hannah borrowed a novel at the New York Public Library, caught a train to Boston with Amtrak, traded in old games at GameStop, picked up warm cookies at Crumbl Cookies, and rented a moving truck from U-Haul, and every single time, she used one gentle, magic phrase to make things easier. Today, Hannah has just moved into her new home, and we're bringing all 5 of those magic phrases back together, then watching her use her favorites again, in brand new moments. So get comfortable, and let's review Hannah's 5 magic phrases. Alright. Here's today's plan. 1. Review all 5 of Hannah's magic phrases from her last 5 adventures too. Watch Hannah use 3 of her favorites again, in 3 brand new everyday moments. 3. Take a fun quiz spotting her gentlest, most polite phrase. Every single one of these phrases is something you can use this week, in real life, anywhere in the world. By the end of this video, all 5 phrases will feel like old friends, ready whenever you need them. Ready? Let's review. Here are Hannah's 5 magic phrases, one from each of her last 5 adventures. Repeat each one after me. Nice and slow. Key phrase 1. I was wondering if you could recommend a good novel? I was wondering if you could recommend a good novel? This phrase is from the New York Public Library. I was wondering if is a soft, gentle way to ask a question, perfect when you want to make a quiet, humble request without any pressure. Key phrase 2. Could you help me find the right train to Boston? Could you help me find the right train to Boston? This phrase is from Amtrak. Could you help me? Is a warm, polite way to ask for a helping hand whenever you feel a little stuck. Key phrase 3. Is it okay if I trade in a few of my old games? Is it okay if I trade in a few of my old games? This phrase is from GameStop. Is it okay if I gently asks for permission before a small request? It shows respect for the other person. Key phrase 4. Would it be possible to get a box of 6 different cookies? Would it be possible to get a box of 6 different cookies? This phrase is from Crumbl Cookies. Would it be possible to? Is the most polite, gently formal way to ask for a small favor, calm and considerate. Key phrase 5. I was wondering if you could add some moving blankets? I was wondering if you could add some moving blankets? This phrase is from U-Haul. The same gentle I was wondering if pattern from the library, showing just how useful this one soft phrase really is, even on moving day. See? You already know all 5. Now let's watch Hannah use some of her favorites again, in brand new moments. Hannah steps into a quiet branch of the New York Public Library, looking for something new to read in her new neighborhood. Behind the information desk, Ethan, a busy but kind librarian in his 30s, shelving returns while helping a small line, looks up with a quick, warm smile.
Hi there, welcome in. How can I help you today?
Hi. I just moved nearby, and I was wondering if you could recommend a good novel, something cozy to read on a quiet evening?
Ooh, I love that question. Cozy, quiet evening. Let me pull up a couple of local favorites for you.
That would be wonderful, thank you.
We've got a lovely one right over here. Follow me. It's just one aisle down.
Perfect.
This one's a reader favorite at this branch. And your New York Public Library card works at every location, so bring it back whenever.
Oh, I'll take good care of it. Thank you so much.
Anytime. Enjoy your quiet evening.
There it is again. I was wondering if you could recommend a good novel? The same gentle phrase from Hannah's New York Public Library episode, now used with total confidence. Notice how Ethan, even though he was busy shelving books and helping Aline, still lit up and made time to help. That soft I was wondering if. Feels so warm and easy to say yes to. One phrase, many moments, that's the real power of learning it well. Hannah is back at Penn Station, this time catching an Amtrak train to visit a friend. At the information window, Sam, a quiet, focused Amtrak agent in his 40s, calm and precise in every word, looks up from his monitor.
Morning. Where are we headed today?
Good morning. I have a ticket to Boston, but the platforms look a little confusing. Could you help me find the right train, please?
Sure. Boston, Northeast Regional. Track 7, down the escalator, to your left.
Track 7, down and to the left. Got it.
Boarding begins in 15 minutes. Listen for the announcement.
Thank you, that's much clearer now.
Safe trip.
Thanks, Sam. Have a good morning.
You too.
Beautiful. Notice how Hannah used, "Could you help me find the right train, please?" The very same phrase from her Amtrak episode, and Sam, calm and precise as ever, gave her a clear answer in just a few quiet words. A warm "could you help me" makes it so easy for someone to step in and help you. Hannah stops by a GameStop to swap a few games she already finished. Behind the counter, Leo, a new, slightly nervous GameStop clerk in his 20s, double-checking every step carefully, looks up from the register.
Hi, welcome to GameStop. What can I, do for you today?
Hi. Is it okay if I trade in a few of my old games? I've got 3 here I've already finished.
Oh, yes. Totally okay. Let me just, scan each one. 1 second.
No rush at all, take your time.
Okay, these 3 come to store credit, is that all right, or would you prefer cash?
Store credit is perfect, I saw a new one I'd love to try.
Awesome. I'll apply the credit right now. Sorry, it's only my 2nd week.
You're doing great, honestly.
Thank you. Okay, you're all set. Enjoy the new game.
I will, thanks so much, Leo.
Wonderful. Today Hannah brought back her favorite phrases in 3 brand new moments: finding a novel with Ethan, catching a train with Sam, and trading in games with Leo. Notice, every single phrase was already inside her, ready to use, exactly when she needed it. That's what happens when you practice a phrase again and again, it becomes a natural part of how you speak. 5 phrases, 5 stories, 1 confident traveler. Okay. Now it is quiz time. Quiz time. Hannah wanted to ask for something in the softest, gentlest way, a quiet, humble request with no pressure at all. Which of these is her gentle wondering magic phrase? A. Can I get a novel recommendation? B. I was wondering if you could recommend a good novel? C. Would you recommend a good novel? Try writing your answer. A, B, or C, or the reason why, in the comments below. Writing it down helps your brain remember it 100 times better than reading. I read every single comment and I will reply to let you know if you got it right. Amazing work today, everyone. Let's look back one more time at all 5 of Hannah's magic phrases. 1. I was wondering if you could recommend a good novel? From the New York Public Library. 2. Could you help me find the right train to Boston? From Amtrak. 3. Is it okay if I trade in a few of my old games? From GameStop. 4. Would it be possible to get a box of 6 different cookies? From Crumbl Cookies. 5. I was wondering if you could add some moving blankets? From U-Haul. 5 phrases, 5 real American places, and 1 confident Hannah, settling into her brand new home, carrying every single one of these phrases with her, wherever she goes next. If this video helped you review and remember, please hit that like button and subscribe to Easy English with Emma. It truly means the world to me. And next time, we're back to a brand new everyday adventure. We'll step inside a real Barnes and Noble bookstore to browse, ask for help, and find the perfect book. See you then. Bye-bye.